Right guys, I'm just about to fix my ledger plate, which is my wall plate. This is the top of the roof into, imagine this is the brick wall guys, and all you've got to do, you've got to make sure that you don't go through all the brick because you can blow it. You go in about 70mm, so I'm just in the process of cutting. I've got to do 8, I've got to do 4 per plate. I purchased this rod, which is 12mm, got 12mm bolts with washers guys, and all you've got to do is just cut them down to size. Easy peasy. I think actually this is a 14mm, sorry guys. Yeah, so what I've purchased guys is a 14mm masonry bit. You go into the depth like this guys. I've marked it all out, and then before you put your chem fix in, you've got to get all that dust out of the brick. It's important that you do that. So what I do is I've got like some tubing. You'll see it in a second guys, and I'll just stick it in the hole, blow it and get all the dust out that way. If you've got like a blower, that's fine, you can do that, or a mini Hoover, I don't know. But that's how I do it. Right, let's get these fixed onto the walls. Happy days. Right, I figure I'll show you doing the bottom one because it's hard to record up doing the top plate, so let's just rinse and repeat guys. Just going to show you how I go about it. And my secret weapon is this guys. Poke it in there, just a tube. That is it, it's ready to be temp fixed. I just put 4 of these in, figuring it should be enough. I've got 3 concrete screws tying it all in, 4 of these chem fix bolts. This ain't going nowhere guys. Right, I'm going to do the top, and then I'm going to come back down here and show you how I put the chem fix in, because there's a couple of little things that you should know guys. Alright, I'll see you in a minute. Right guys, I've got my bolts in, my chem fix bolts. I forgot to record it guys, but basically when you put the chem fix in, it's like an epoxy, like 2 resin inside the tube, and what you should do is squeeze out a little bit before you poke it into the hole guys, because it hasn't mixed properly. So just squeeze a little bit out onto the wall, and then what you do, you put it right into that hole and give it a little squeeze and pull it out a bit, another little squeeze, pull it out until you hit that, well, until you make sure that it's coming out of the hole guys. And then when you put that bolt in, what you do, like you twist it as you're putting it in, like you screw it in guys, you're kind of twisting it, and it might meet a bit of resistance, so you just get a hammer and you bang it in guys, and that's it. You leave it to set for an hour, then you come back, tighten it up, and the job's a good one. And if you can notice there, it's got a bit of my blood on there. It's definitely got all my blood, sweat and tears into this build now. But so far so good, guys. It's working out nice. I've put all my twist nails in, connected it. They say you've got to put them in every hole, guys, and that's what I've done. This ain't going nowhere. It's looking really good.